Oh, that is a major bubbles. Look, Callan. No, Callan. Look.
Callan.
Look over there.
Turn around. Come here. Look.
And look at Weston.
Oh my gosh.
Those are all colored. Uh-huh. Don't get them in your face.
That is a major bubble blower.
Leave it alone. Let it go. No problem where they can get away.
I'm saying right no.
You getting them?
Like special bubble that it's colored.
No, leave it alone. No, leave it alone. Get the bubbles.
Yeah.